On the plains of Qinghai, the male Chiru stand guard on the home front, awaiting the return of their far-roving females. The females have traveled long and far to be reunited with their partners. Unfortunately, after being away from each other for so long, neither the males nor the females have the slightest idea who their partners are. But not to worry, the males are more than happy to impress new females and start new families. They've spent the entire spring and summer bulking up and vying with each other for supremacy. And they're raring to show off their masculinity.
Problems with wolves, ladies? Fear not. I'll deal with this scoundrel.
One glance at that imposing male physique and this scrappy little predator is soon sent on his way. Hey. Whoa. It's all good. The ice causes a bit of a... Ah! Regardless of how they accomplish it, the herd always comes together again as one great big family. And the never-ending tide of Chiru life flows on.